everyone, welcome back to one more exciting show of MATLAB, in which we are going to plot a 3D plot in MATLAB. So, way to plot 3D 3D plot in MATLAB. At the first stage, we will define variable, let's say x, y, and z. So for defining x, let's take it coordinate as -3, 1, and 3. So in MATLAB, we will write x equal to -3, 1, 3, hit enter. Now we will define another variable y. Let's say we take it as -3, 1, -3, 1, and 2. Now we will define a relationship between x and y. So let's say we are going to plot a mesh grid type graph between x and y. So we will write xx comma yy close equal to what we are going to plot. We are going to plot mesh grid, mesh grid, and the plane in which we want to plot, for example x and y, and close it. So we have defined a as you all see that we have defined a variable xx and yy, which is a 2D plane. So now we are now again what we have to do, we have to define variable z in terms of x and y. So we will write z equal to sorry zz equal to xx power 2 minus suppose we will take yy into power 2. So we have defined here the values z, variable z, in terms of x and y, and again hit it back. So you have seen that again a variable z is defined into the workspace. now we now we will going to plot a figure. So we will use a command figure in MATLAB, figure. Here is the interface. When you hit figure, you will open a dialog box title figure, and here are the tools which can be used to plot the graph or to edit the graph. Now we have to plot a 3D plot, so we will use a command named surf, which means surface to be plot in MATLAB. Surf, and the variable which we want to plot, here this is xx comma yy zz, and again hit enter. So you see that we have created a 3D plot in MATLAB. You can simply assign its that is the x column x axis, y axis, and z axis. For example, if you want to write their x axis, we can write it as x label bracket open name, for example x axis close. If you want to write its y axis, y label y axis, and you see all these changes in the graph. Here the x-axis, y-axis, you can also write its z-axis title at this place. For writing z-axis, you can simply use z label z ax ix, hit enter, and you will come to see that z-axis is also plotted. Similarly, you can use command title to give the title to the graph. Suppose you want to change the pattern. Here it is a surface type. You want to plot, you want to make it at smooth, so you can use another command to make it smooth, as you can change its shading. So it helps you to get the more smoother curve. So you can write as shading p, shading in top, and you saw that, and you will see that the graph is getting more smoother. And here you can't understand the values of this graph, so you can plot a color bar along with the graph, so it will help to interpret the graph more easily. You can write it as uh, color you can write it as color bar, COLOR, and you will see that a color bar will appear along with the 3D graph. This will help you to interpret the graph more easily. Similarly, if you want to plot um, instead of surf, if you want to plot a solid curve, you can use solid. You want to any other type of graph, you can use those commands. For example, mesh xx yy zz, you will find a different type of meshing curve will be obtained without color. Similarly, you can use other commands to manipulate your 3D graph. Thank you very much for watching. This is one of the simple way to plot 3D curve in MATLAB. Thank you very much.